In this video, let's talk about how to fix the TikTok location not changing. So for whatever reason, if TikTok location within the TikTok platform is not currently changing for you, let me show you the few things that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is change the region within the TikTok application. So just head over to the hamburger menu on the top right. Once you're inside of the settings platform, head over to account. And once you're inside of account, head over to account information. Now right here you'd be able to see the option called account region. You can easily change the location and set to a different location or a region that you're trying to select. So once you do this step, try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, what you can also try out is try to use a VPN for a short period of time. So if you're trying to urgently change your location, you can try using a VPN. And the other thing that you can also try out is try to reinstall the application of TikTok from your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will also be fixed. Also make sure that the location option or the location feature is enabled on your device so that TikTok can also get access. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.